So adding an Instagram reel to your website is really easy. We'll just open up a text editor block here, and then we'll go to the account that you want to take a video from, click on your Reels option, and then select the video that you want to see. Then you'll click on the three dots up here, and you'll get this embed code. We're going to copy this entire code, then we have it. And you can either include the captions or not, it's up to you. And then you'll go back to where it's, the page builder. You'll paste it into the HTML section, and you'll have this code here at the bottom where it's the script code. You cannot have script codes in this block during this time, so you'll want to cut that out. But we're going to paste it once and we'll showcase it, but you'll never want to have this code, so we'll have it display right here. So save changes, and then when you go to your design section, click on the CSS section. This is where you're going to want to put the script at. So you'll paste the script in, and then you'll hit save. And now every time you hit save, you'll have this code on your website, and there it is.